Next is part C. Solve the equation 3x square plus 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. Show all your working and give your answers correct to 2 decimal places. To solve this equation, we will use quadratic formula. And by comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we have a equals 3, b equals 2 and c equals minus 7. Now by quadratic formula, x will be equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square minus 4 into a is 3, c is minus 7 over 2 into 3. Minus 2 plus minus, let's solve its square root, which is 2 square minus 4 times 3 times minus 7. 2 into square root of 22. Over 2 into 3. Now this will be minus 1 plus minus square root of 22 over 3. Now x is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 22 over 3, or x is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 22 over 3. Minus 1 minus square root of 22 over 3 is minus 1.90, correcting to 2 decimal places. Now for this, which is minus 1 plus square root of 22 over 3 is 1.23, correcting to 2 decimal places. Minus 1.90, 1.23. Next is part D. In this part, all lengths are in centimeters. Diagram is not to scale. ABCD is a trapezium with area 15 square centimeter. Part first is show that 2x square plus 5x minus 12 is equal to 0. Area of trapezium equals half of its length. Its short length is x plus 4 plus long length is 3x plus 2 times its height, which is x plus 1, equals 1 over 2 into, this will be 4x plus 6 into x plus 1. Now area of trapezium is 15. So 15 times 2 equals, expanding the brackets, this will be 4x square plus 4x plus 6x plus 6. So 4x square plus 10x and plus 6 minus 30 equals 0. So 4x square plus 10x, this will be minus 24 equals 0. Dividing this whole equation with 2, we will get 2x square plus 5x minus 12 is equal to 0. Hence proved. Next is part 2. Solve the equation 2x square plus 5x minus 12 is equal to 0. We will make its factors. It will be 2x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. Taking 2x as common, this will be x plus 4 minus taking 3 as common, x plus 4 equals 0. Now 2x minus 3 into x plus 4 equals 0. So 2x minus 3 equals 0 or x plus 4 equals 0. From this x will be 3 over 2, and from this x is negative 4. So negative 4 or 3 over 2. Part 3 is write down the length of AB. AB is 3x plus 2. (3x plus 2) using positive root, this will be 3 into 3 over 2 plus 2. 3 into 3 over 2 plus 2, which is 6.5. Length of AB is 6.5 centimeter.